Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20 Pro and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so all we have to do is to actually enter the settings because the timer is not highlighted in this section. So let's enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner, and here we have to localize the timer, which is here in the capture settings on the third position. So let's tap on it, and as you can see in this device we've got 4 different options, so the off, 5, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose maybe 10 seconds delay. As you can see, after tapping on it, it will be immediately applied here, so we can go back. And nice touch, we've got this timer icon inside the shutter button, which is a really nice option because thanks to it you can actually see that you've got the timer set and you will not be surprised after tapping on the shutter button. Alright, so let's tap on it. And as you can see, from now on the device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, of course we can turn it off the same way, just by entering the settings, tapping on the timer and tapping on off. And from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button without any kind of countdown. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.